In a sunlit, softly animated home, Mimi wishes to finish chores, but her prayer slips into the clouds and drifts toward an unexpectedly cheerful sky. Soon a playful mix-up unfolds as the wrong receiver gets the plea, stirring a fluffy, bemused celestial response that twinkles with color and whimsy. In another scene, she endures a long elevator wait, while patient angels rehearse their graceful replies in a silent, dreamlike chorus. A miracle arrives out of order, timing tangled in language undecipherable, leaving Mimi to puzzle with wide eyes and a gentle smile. Ultimately, Mimi learns to greet chaos with calm, turning every absurd mishap into a warm laugh and a hopeful wink.